Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Michelle from $1 Dupes. Luxury, money, fashion. This is part 2, restoration hardware, living room. This is not inspired. Most of this that you're looking at is restoration hardware. So, let's get to it. Just walking down the stairs now. We will start this way. The back of the sofa, you can kind of get a better feel this way. This is a deconstructed Chesterfield sofa. Restoration hardware, all restoration hardware, okay? No dupe on that, all real. And this is another sofa, smaller one from Restoration Hardware, Chesterfield, deconstructed Chesterfield sofa. I remember going to the Restoration Hardware, looking at this furniture and just dreaming about it, and finally getting it. These are the pillows. These pillows are fabulous too. The little French saying on it. This is another pillow I got. It's the brown one. And you can just tell the quality. Look at that toughness. This is serious. That's another kind of view. This is a chandelier I probably got from Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll find it and link it below. I wanted one that kind of fit with this room, this kind of theme of the deconstructed French. The curtains up here, the curtains were custom. I had the curtains installed, and they go all the way up to all the way down. They were quite expensive. What she quoted me on the whole house was just ridiculous. Now these chairs, look at them good. Look at the feet, look at the legs, look at the toughness. These chairs are a $1 million dupe from the At Home store. Yes, this is a copy of the Restoration Hardware chair, the wing back chair, the tufted chair that kind of goes with this. You've seen it in the probably in this, showroom. I'm gonna show you probably a better over here. This is a David German coffee table book. Fabulous designs from David German. I'll try to see if I can find one I can link online. This is the same chair. You can kind of see it a little better here. Look at that. This is them at home store. They make excellent $1 million dupes. Now look at the back. Once you see the back of it, you know what I'm talking about. The back of this chair matches exactly, that's my bookshelf moving, the one from Restoration Hardware, like a deconstructed look, the French Parisian look. When I saw this chair, I had to call Uber XL and get it delivered. Like I mentioned in another video, if you ever see large pieces of chairs and side chairs and tables you can't put in your car, call Uber XL, they'll deliver it. This is the real. Yes, it is. You're looking at it. This might be a better picture. This is a Rococo crystal chandelier from Restoration Hardware. When I saw this chandelier, I knew it was like love at first sight. And I had to have it. Kind of slides easily on the floor, iron and crystal. But what they don't tell you at the showroom, get a little closer, it's a real crystal. See how pretty now? It just, on a cloudy day or in the evening, I cut this on, both of them, just for ambiance and energy. They don't tell you in the showroom that each crystal you have to put on by hand. Yes, I was shocked. I'll see if I can show you real quick. See that? This came in a pack. These crystals came in a pack, and the hooks came in a separate pack. So you had to take the crystals out, and it came in like a red plastic sheet. You had to put each one on hand by hand. I couldn't believe it. Each one hand by hand. See how hard it is? And I had real long nails. I just got them cut down recently. All of this comes up. See, all of these are separate pieces. The piece on top unscrews. And it's a million different ways you can do this because the directions are not like the best. I mean, you have to try to look online at the original printout to kind of see, and that's how big it is. I had this thing in a million different places down here, but they're fabulous. They see the little, all this had to be hand strung and hand connected. That piece had to be screwed on. It's a little, this piece had to be screwed on, the little crystal weight. So it was a lot of work. It took, it took some time because I have two of them. It took a couple weeks of time and hours to put it together. Now these bookshelves are a good dupe as well. These bookshelves came from Hobby Lobby, $119. And yes, I got them delivered via Uber XL. That's right. Don't let something hold you back from getting it, because I can't get it in my car. Like I said, make that phone call, see if they can do it. Now this picture is a painting called To Go Beyond by Richard Franklin. Fabulous love story. This is like real love. You can kind of see up close. Now, if I wanted to be true restoration hardware, like design, chair, light, I would have the big mirror in the middle. Picture, right, on the left to make it center. But I love this picture so much. I haven't done that in this setup yet, but it could easily fit on this wall to make sure that the mirror doesn't face the front door. It's a feng shui thing. It's not though, but I could easily do that. Then I would have to relocate this beautiful picture somewhere else. But now, this weekend, when I was out, guess what I found? Move this back, this chair out the way. I found this Restoration Hardware fitted leaf ficus tree dupe. Guess where? At Home Store. I'll see if they have a link below. I can put it below. I'll check and see. But this thing looks real and it's huge. It's huge. It looks like a real ficus. $99. That's why the color is changing here. That's why I named my channel $1 Million Dupes Money Luxury, because I search around to find the best real, these are real restoration hardware pieces, and the dupes all in one. Now, you could always, let me back up some. See how it's rounded in the middle? You could always take off this top piece if you wanted to and kind of like clip it off if you wanted just to have this round look of like the real, the one that's in the showroom. But these bend, you can move them up or move them down, and these even come out. One came out before. It comes like out of this hole, so if you keep pulling on it, it kind of can come out. I tried to stretch them around and make them look more realistic. Don't just get it and leave it at home. Separate the leaves and the leaves and branches. Make it look more realistic. There's something back here. Look at this one. Not even unfolded. See, you can fold it out and tuck it under. And it's very, very tall. So that changes right there. And this piece up here, you can pull this down. So, it's a lot. You can do a lot. So this is my Restoration Hardware living room. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. We go back again. Look at the sofa. And this is a pretty wide, cushion. Look how long the cushion is. See? And under here is the burlap. That's why they call it deconstructed. The burlap look underneath. You can mix and match these pillows. I like the big ones better. I might get another brown pillow like that. Put these somewhere else. Use them somewhere else. But they do chop if you wanted to chop them. But I like, I'll keep these square. And now this ottoman. This ottoman is from the At Home Store. And it has the same toughness. Whenever you try to mix and match the real thing with dupes, try to get the same look. The sofa's tufted, try to get the ottoman that's tufted, and the chairs that are tufted. So it can look like a set. This is Nobleman magazine, one of the housewives' husband started it. This is an actor on the front. Fabulous shot. Look at that. And this, y'all, orchids, I love orchids in the house for interior design because same thing, bend them, make, kind of make them look real, separate them a little bit. Then just make the house look like happy and just give it a designer touch. So, if you like this video, smash the like button. I have more restoration hardware themed videos, more $1 million dupes. And keep watching and go to the next video.